many of you remember this from your childhood days? It's good for a girl or a boy, or a guy or a girl. Either way, it's a slinky. It's a slinky notepad. Something we offer here at ThreadArt to help you stay engaged with your clients and let them have a little bit more fun in their day. They can sit there at the desk, play with the slinky, and then hide it under the desk because their boss walks by. But they're going to be thinking of you because they're having fun because your logo will be placed on the front of the slinky. You can even take it, and not only is it just a notepad, it's also a sticky notepad. Ooh. They come in different shapes. They come round, and they also come in these cute little shirts. Yes, I said cute. I'm manly. What? So you can sit there, play, have fun, and have your logo in front of your clients with a slinky. How cool is that? So have them call Rob with ThreadArt so we can get their name on a slinky or your name on a slinky, and they can have fun just like me.